Hey everybody, welcome to DadBear.DIY. Just wanted to drop a quick update on the channel as we approach the holiday season. First thing I want to do is thank every single person that took the time to view, like, subscribe, and comment on all of the content that we put out this year. It's been a blessing and it's been a wonderful surprise. Thank you so very much for the support you've given me, my family, and this channel. And as we approach the holiday season, I'll just let you know that starting the weekend of Christmas, we will be holding off on putting any more videos out until the new year. So look for us to come back in January. And in this time, I want to wish you a happy holidays. Take advantage of any time off that you've got. Enjoy the time that you can spend with your family, friends, and loved ones. And remember, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Be safe. And send out a special prayer for our servicemen and women who are serving our country right now, many of them overseas. Thanks again so much, guys. Happy holidays, and I look forward to the new year. Take care.